Alright, engine's in the shop. Time for some work. So I was riding around this today a little bit. This is about the gutless piece of crap I've ever ridden on. It won't rev. It just don't do nothing. It's running on one cylinder basically half the time. So it's definitely got a dead rear hole. A lot of issues. So we're going to pull this thing apart. It's only 2.5 days to race. Perfect. Time to do a motor rebuild. I don't have to do the whole motor, but it sure needs it. It shakes so damn bad you wouldn't believe it. Definitely needs an overhaul. So let's see what it's going to do here. So let's see how much it takes to get this thing apart. First thing to do is get the bags out of my way. Small shop, no room. Bags have to go bye-bye. Pull that when you find them. Important tools come out. Let's see, important tools have a bucket over here. You pull out the ones you need. The ones you know you're going to need. Lots of normal tools. Boom. Alright, that's a good start. I can find some stuff now. They're out of the bucket. We get to them. Okay, 9/16 is back here for getting this off. There's 50 style latches here. It just takes a 3/8 bolt to have the bag fall off in your hand. Boom. Bolt. Pull his lid. Spacer back here. These two are not falling out, so they can stay. One bag out of here. Bags go out in the truck out of the way. We're not driving the truck right today. It'll be tomorrow. So we'll worry about that tomorrow. Let me get the other bag out of the way. There it goes. Socket didn't want to go on there. Okay, next bag out of the way. Okay, going quick. Let's see, seat's kind of in the way, but not really, so I think we'll just work around it. Not a big issue. So there you go, it's already a lot cleaner looking. I'm going to start knocking off some big pieces real quick. Okay. Let's see, I want the seat out of here or not out of here. Yeah. It's really not in the way right now. Air cleaner is. This thing has a belt drive primary. It's supposed to be dry. It is full of oil. I drained about a quart out of it. Big leak on the crank side over there, so I have to put a new crank set in. Probably should do that before I run it too far, but it might not happen. I don't have enough time to deal with that. I'm thinking probably not. Okay, that's off. Okay, there should be a tray around here. I already got some parts in it. Okay, I'll put light duty stuff in this tray. So, it's not turning. Okay, so we got a little tray here. This one has crap in it. So, throw the screws in there for that. And goes elsewhere. So we'll put the exhaust stuff in that mess, and pretty much everything else we'll do a new tray for the motor. We gotta find a place to throw this out of our way. There's a box up here that's empty. It's a perfect thing for the box right here. I don't think it's very replaceable. Definitely very expensive if you could find it. Probably not available. Okay, I gotta pull these three, and all this comes out of here. Let's see there. Allens, big ass Allens, like that one right there. Small Allen. Right here. I had a 70 main jet in this thing, and I took that out and put a 78 in it. So the jet they had over there was bigger. Didn't really make it run any better. Make it run much worse either. It just will not run, period. It has a ton of blow-by coming out of it, so it's like the valves are not sealing or something. It's really not happy on how it's running. It's going to come out as a pair. Nope, I did fall out. Yep, I did. Okay. There's our breather washer. Didn't have any oil leaks on this stuff. The only leaks are coming out from underneath the tranny when where the breather is in the back of the bike for the motor. And the primary. It leaks like a sieve. It's not supposed to have any oil in it. Okay. Carburetor's out. Little cable's half out already. Behind it there, pull it out all the way. Come on. Damn it. It's one of those deals that it'll fall out all day, but it won't come out when you want it to. There it goes. Throttle cable's out. Go ahead and pull the fuel line off from the petcock over there. That way I can get the line and everything out of here in one shot. Okay. Perfect. All right, that's out. My screwdriver. Might as well pull this line off over here too while I'm at it, just to get it out of the way. It's easier just to deal with this line when it's off the bike. So. Alright, that outside of the way, so I have to smell it. Got enough leakage I just did already. Okay. So the manifold on this came off relatively easily, I think, as I recall. I think I had the carburetor off when I did it. Yeah, probably did. It was a semi-struggle, as I recall. Let's see if we can make it easier. Try this here. Perfect. Quite. A little bit more length. There we go. That was already loosened up on me a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty easy. A lot of gas tank clearance makes it easy. Plus I had this all nice and cleaned out already for earlier, so I think it's about the easiest manifold I ever had come off. Evo anyway. There you go, 2 bolts, it's out. Super simple. Okay, now we just need a 1/2 inch on the other side. Right here. Should pull the whole thing out. Bolts are long-winded. Yeah, take the weight off the bolt. Works a lot easier. Okay, carb's out. One carbonator. Dump the fuel out. Ooh, it's coming out now. I'll go dump that outside, sit on the floor like I just did. Alright. Carbonator. Somebody made a mess on the floor. Who did that? See, a camera showing you stuff makes a mess. Oh well. Alright, here we go. 10 minutes into it, already got half the bike off. Alright, we're moving right along. Get the exhaust system out of here. Alright, let me clean up, I'll be right back.